step into the Nissan 2016 Maxima 3.5 SL. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include Super Black, N92, external ground lighting, L92, floor mats, trunk mat and trunk net, B10, splash guards, Z66, activation disclaimer, charcoal leather appointed seat trim, N93, interior lighting package included, 20-color accent and console, front-wheel drive and power steering. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.